What if I told you that just 5 minutes of stretching a day could reduce pain, improve your posture, boost your energy, and even make you feel younger? Most people ignore it, but stretching is one of the most powerful things you can do for your body. Welcome back to Smart Health Hacks. Today we're diving into the power of stretching, why it's more than just a warm-up, and how it can completely transform the way you feel every single day. Stick around, because benefit number 4 is something most people never think about. Stretching isn't just for athletes or yogis, it's for everyone. And the science behind it will blow your mind. Let's break it down. 1. Improves flexibility and mobility. Stretching increases your range of motion, making daily movements easier and reducing stiffness as you age. Consistency is key. Perform these movements regularly. Listen to your body to avoid pain, and support your efforts with a balanced diet and proper hydration for optimal results. 2. Boosts circulation and energy. It helps blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients. That's why a quick stretch can instantly wake you up. You can also incorporate certain foods like garlic, berries, beets, and leafy greens into your diet to support cardiovascular health. Additionally, getting enough quality sleep is essential for overall health, including circulation. 3. Reduces stress and tension. Stretching releases tightness in your muscles, calms your nervous system, and even lowers stress hormones. You can try techniques like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and progressive muscle relaxation. Other effective methods include regular exercise, spending time in nature, listening to music, engaging in hobbies, and maintaining strong social connections. 4. Improves posture. Sitting all day? Stretching counteracts the damage, helping you stand taller, breathe better, and protect your spine. Posture involves strengthening and stretching key muscle groups, adopting ergonomic practices, and being mindful of your body's alignment throughout the day. Regular exercise, proper workstation setup, and awareness of your body's position can significantly enhance posture and reduce related discomfort. 5. Prevents injuries and speeds recovery. Regular stretching keeps muscles flexible and joints healthy, which means fewer injuries and faster healing after workouts. Incorporate a proper fitness plan with warm-ups, cool-downs, proper technique, and adequate rest. Maintain good nutrition, stay hydrated, and wear appropriate gear. For recovery, use the RICE method: rest, ice, compression, elevation, for initial injuries, and later use hot therapy, massage, and strength exercises to restore mobility. So there you have it, 5 powerful benefits of stretching that can improve your body, mind, and health. Which stretch do you do the most, morning, evening, or after workouts? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart health hacks, and share this video with a friend who needs to stretch more. See you in the next one.